What? 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 What do you want, Stevie? What do you want, Stevie? What do you want from me, Stevie? What time is it, Stevie? What time is it? Yeah? Is it, ow, breakfast? Is it breakfast time for the Stevie? Yeah? Yeah? Good morning, Lizzie. Bunyip. Harley. Whiskers. Yeah? You get your breakfast? Gonna get your breakfast, Stevie? Yeah? You're waiting. Put your weight on my shoulder. Make sure it happens, eh? Supervise. Yeah. Supervise, Davini. Supervise, eh? Yeah, I'm getting it. I am. I know you're probably making sure. Yes, I am. Getting your can out. Yes, I am. There we go. It's Davini. Yeah, you sure? Yeah. Yeah, making sure the human does it, eh? Yeah? This has gone very pear-shaped. Usually it's a bit smoother than this, even though I'm half asleep. Alright. How not to feed your cats. Go on, Whiskers. Whiskers. Over here. Pusky. There we are. There we go. That's a good girl. Stevie and her prize breakfast. Lizzie. Very patient, all things considering. Lizzie. Pee-wee. I know. Yeah, I would have still been in bed if Stevie hadn't woken me up. Hey, Pee-wee. Yeah. Say Harley. Harley. In a slow feeding bowl. Yeah. And Harley's can. Hello, Peppy. Good to see you, Peppy. You finally came out. You finally joined us. Hey, sweetie. Hey, timid little Peppy. Ah.